Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Julia, a professional trader with more than 3 years of experience in the financial markets. Here I share my favorite strategies, trading insights and the mindset that helps me to stay profitable and consistent every single day. In today's video we're going to work with a simple but very effective setup, a combination of MACD and moving average. These two indicators are perfect for identifying trend reversals and confirming entries with precision. I'll show you step by step how to use them together to find high probability trades and grow your account with confidence. So grab your notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's jump straight into the charts and make money together. So guys, I'm on the Euro GPY and here just formed the signal for me to sell this active down for 3 minutes, and I just open it. Let's go, $1,000. The last two, one, boom, profit. Profit is in my deposit. Amazing. Let's continue looking for the signals. On the currencies, Euro CHF just formed the signal to open the trade down, so let's open it for 3 minutes down. To tell the truth, I opened it slightly too late, but I'm hoping that it's gonna go down and touch this support line. This is the resistance line. You see it touched it and then it moved down to the support line, so we're waiting. I hope that it's gonna go down. I would prefer to open it like here. I was a little bit late, but that's fine. We have a little bit of risk, but I believe in myself and we're gonna make it. We're gonna make this trade profitable. Only 2 minutes left. Only 35 seconds left and become super nervous because the price already touched the resistance line and now it tries to go up. Not the right time to go up. Price, please wait a little bit. We're still there. So basically only one candle left and we're done. Here it is, the profit, $1,920. The second trade that was super successful. To tell the truth, Euro dollar looks super stable, and I want to open a small trade for just 2 minutes up with $1,000. Let's go. As I can see, the price wants to touch this resistance line that I draw here on a bigger period of time. So it just goes up without even any volatile movements. And look, when I opened the trade, it started to go down. Perfect price. But okay, we still have more than 1 minute of waiting, so let's just wait. Okay, this trade doesn't look like the perfect one. But I'm always telling you that 70-80% of the trades are successful and 20-30% are not. And this was this example of such a trade. Yeah, maybe it was a bad idea to open it. I didn't look at my indicators just because I believe that the price will go up, which didn't happen. So follow your strategy and do not think that it will go up. But sometimes I'm taking a risk and I'm opening them, and as you can see, not always it it has a good result. In Euro CHF, I see that right now is forming this signal to open the trade down. So we can wait here. And maybe I'm gonna open it, though on the period 3 minutes I see the signal to open the trade up, because in general Euro CHF has the upward trend line. So maybe, by the way, let's open it for 5 minutes up. Let's go. The last 5 seconds, as you can see, the trade goes super good, super profitable. Yeah, we are done. $920 profit. As you can see, the price euro dollar went up. As I said to you, just we needed more time and we would be profitable. But I entered too early and open to the trade with a short period of time, but it's fine. We gonna get our money back right now. Here on TND USD is forming right now the signal to open the trade down to sell it, and as you can see here, I draw the trend line which is downward. So, and the price touched the resistance line, so I want to open again with $2,000 for 3 minutes down after this candle is gonna close. I hope that it's gonna be down, but as you can see, it doesn't want. Maybe it wants to touch again the resistance line. Let's wait more. We need the confirmation. TND USD is going super good. We have only 30 seconds, even less. And yeah, the profit is almost in my pocket. Yay! $7,680. On the active euro dollar just formed an amazing signal to open the trade up for 3 minutes, and I'm into it with $2,000 because I believe in this trade so much. So let's wait for that. Again, I saw the signal in MACD. The moving average of MACD crossed in the oversold zone, and yeah, we have the upward trend. That's why I opened the trade up according to the trend, and now we are just waiting. I think we needed just a little bit more time and it would close in profit. But unfortunately, no, maybe 5 minutes would be perfect time for this trade. Alright guys, that's all for today's session. We started small following MACD and moving average signals and ended up with solid results. So that's the power of trading with a plan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next strategy breakdown. Trade smart, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.